Recording, right? Good. That's it. So happy Wednesday afternoon. Let's have a look at the workout today, and I need you to please jot this down. So it's going to be a 20-minute AMRAP. The reps are quite low, which means we can continue moving at quite a rapid pace. So it's going to be 8 squats into 8x8 Cossack squats, into 8 lunges. We're going to do 8 16 side, middle, side obliques, into Russian twists, into windshield wipers. So now we're starting to combine more of the muscle groups in the stomach, in the abs, not just the 3 middle ones, but also the side obliques, and working them all together. But at the same time, also focusing a bit on the glutes and the hammies. And then there's a finisher of a 3.5-minute plank today. No. Absolutely. Nobody dropped the last time on 3 minutes. So what is 30 seconds? Yeah. Nothing in the bigger scheme of things. Okay.
Are you going to keep workout in that, Katie?
Yeah, there you go. She's going to be a minion. I'm going to burn some calories.
She's going to die of heat exhaustion. That's what I'm worried about.
It's even got a face.
Oh, wow.
Oh, Katie, you are so funny. Brilliant. Okay, so let's quickly go through the movements. Always up for a good giggle, Kate. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, ladies. So the squats we're familiar with. So make sure that we get the depth that we did before. The Cossack squats, you don't have to come back to the middle, but I'm leaving you as wide as you can possibly go, and try and keep this. Don't lean forward. That's not the idea. The idea is still to go down here as far as we can. And if you can lift that foot, that's great. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Into lunges that you're familiar with. Then the side, middle, side obliques. Nothing funny there. We just haven't done the combination together before. So it's going to be side, middle, side, middle.
Oh, yes, yes.
Side, middle, side, middle. And that's why there's 16 in the middle. So count each side. So let's count the left as 1, 2, 3. Okay. There's Russian twists you've got with touching sides. And then the windshield wipers, no doubt you're familiar with by now. Up and touch. And touch. And touch. Okay. Good. Any questions? Everybody good with that?
You can put it on the grass and she can see the exercise.
Yes? Everybody good?
Yes, yes, we're good.
Okay, get ready. I'm giving you a minute to get ready.
Yep, in the shade. Just put it on the, there. Put it on here. Where do you want to go? That way or this way? Anyway.
Okay. Good, ladies. 20-minute AMRAP. So this is going to be, count your rounds and see how quickly you can do them and how many rounds you can complete. Okay, time starts. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. 8 squats. Make sure of the depth and extend at the top. Push the hips forward. Cossack squats. Nice. There we go. Maybe stand a bit wider, Ames. That's better. Oh, yes, that's much better. Good.
Now it's lunges. Oh, now it's lunges. Oh,
lunges, 8x8 lunges. And then the side, middle, side obliques. Nice. Sak vir my bietjie laer, Lianetjie, met daai boutjies bietjie laer aan die
Oh shit!
Daar's sy. Yes.
Is it 16 in total? Yeah.
Okay. 8, 16, 8 middle side. Side, middle side.
No. Yes.
Reverse lunges, good, Rosa.
Ah.
There we go. So it's going to be side, middle, side, middle. That's it. There we go. Good work. Daar's hy, Lianetjie. Very good.
It's 16. But it's 6 in the middle. For Russian twists.
Russian twists. Let's go, Russian twists.
Russian twists.
So with die side, sit jou handjies bietjie boontoe, Lianei, so onder jou skouers, bietjie terug. Daar's hy. Yes. As jy net bietjie meer support het. That's it. Middle and side. And middle and side. That's it. Nice, Ames. Good work. Only looking for 8 on...
Oh, 8.
8 per side. 8 per side. Yeah. Okay. Russian twists. That's it. And windshield wipers. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, ladies, you're on round number 2 and it took you 3 minutes. Just under 3 minutes. Let's go and see if we can improve that. Debs and Kate, I can't see you. Maybe if you could just move slightly back. Yeah, thank you. That's it. There we go. Good job. Asai Lianetjie. Mooi, Rosa. Kyk hoe hoog kom my bene nou al op, né? Hulle raak op jou neus. Well done. That's it, Kate. Nice, Amy. That's it, Debs. Drop, drop, drop a bit more, Debs. I want the bum a bit more. Drop, drop, drop to the heel. Drop, drop even further. Okay. Good work. Squats, Rosa. Let's go. Yes.
Come play Lego first.
Nice work. Sakkie boutjies, Roos. Nog bietjie af, nog bietjie af. This does say. Remember, this is as much a stretch as it is working the glutes and the hammies. Nice work. That's a Lianetjie. That's it, Debs. Good work.
You've already answered.
That's it. Nice, Amy.
What's after this?
Russian twists, Debs. Just 8 per side, 16 in total. Mooi Rosa, mooi Lianetjie, there we go. I'm only looking for 8 per side on these lunges, hey? Side, middle, side. Yes. Nice, Katie. You're forcing her to touch the ground there. Nice, Ames. Just in case she thought she's not going to. Good job. Nice. That's it. Keep going. Go, 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 go. That was just on 3 minutes. So good work. I'll say Ruiz. Good work. William Nike. Nice, Katie. Those are really nice. Good job.
Thanks.
We miss you. You must please join us. Daar sy Leonay. 'n bietjie laaf en Nessie. There we go. That's it. Side, middle, sides. Mooi Kozaks daar. Rosie, nicely done. Try and keep the upper body as straight as you can with these Cossacks. Nothing has changed from the squats. It's literally a hip and a glute movement there. Nice. That's it. Good work. Russian twists. Sy Leonetjie mooi. Daar sy Roos. That's it. Nice, Debs. I can see your feet there, but they're good. Nicely done. Together. Knees together, feet together. Brilliant. That's it. Nice, Kate. There we go. You've lost a few seconds per round. I need you to pick it up, ladies. Come, 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 come. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You need to make up about 10 seconds, so go. That's it. Mooi Roos, daar sy Leonay. Keep the upper body up with those Cossack squats. Drop the bum. That's it. Nicely done. Daar sy Leonetjie. Nice lunges too. Stepping it a bit out and bit sideways. Brilliant. Nice Cossack start, Rosie. Gorgeous girl. That's it. Yes, man. Yes. go, let's go, let's go. Russian twist, that's it, Kate. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Into windshield wipers. That's it. Rodemeyer family, brilliant. Good job. Katie, you need Amy? That's it. There we go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Say yes. Nicely. You've made up some time. Let's go. That's it. Say the side obliques, remember to turn on the one bump, so we really only use the one side of the oblique. So the one is crunching and the one is stretching. There we go. Nice. That's it. Whoop, whoop. Daar sy Rosie. Kom Lianaitjie. Daar sy Pop. That's it. Good going. Squats. Daar sy Roos. Let's go. Yes. Nicely done. That's it. Those are beautiful, Katie. Wow. Nice and controlled, full range of motion. They're beautiful. That's it. Daar sy Roos. Mooi Lianne. Daar sy Gerla. Russian twists. That's it, Kate. Ooh.
Amy, we finished.
That's it.
The grass is wet. We even had the sprinklers on.
That's it. Extend daai bene vir my heeltemal, Lianne. Maak hulle reguit, full range of motion. Yes, thank you, ma'am. That's it. There we go. That's it, Katie. Go, 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 go. Daar sy Lianne. Dit lyk mooi. That's it. Mooi Roos. That's it. Nicely done. Woo! Daar sy. Let's finish another round. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Nice, Amy. That's it, Kate. Nice, Debs. That's better. That's nice. Yes. The upper body is straight. And now we can feel the flexibility or not in the hip flexors. And that's really what we're working with these Cossack squats. Nice. Up the body up, drop the bum in the Cossacks. Drop the bum rather than the top, the shoulders. Nicely done. Ooh. I like those, Amy. Mooi Rosa, 90 grade all round. Beautiful. Daar sê Lianne, mooi. I say. Whoop, whoop. Let's go. Daar sê Lianne, mooi. Nice, Rosie. Full extension there. That's good. That full range of motion that gives us the control, that gives us the conditioning, that gives us the strength. Goeie werk, julle. That's it. Okay, Lewis. Go over until it's over. That's it. Katie, I need you to push now. You've got 1 minute 45 to go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see how far you can come. Let's go. Kom Rosa, come Debs. Kom Lianne, that's it. Ames, let's go, let's go, let's go. You have 90 seconds, ladies, that's it. Go for broke. Let's see what we can do in this last couple of secs. Lunges, let's go, let's go, let's go. Where do I see? Side, middle, sides, Kate. That's it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There's a minute left. Go, 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 go. Mooi Rosa, let's go, 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 go. That's Lianne. Woo! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Last couple of seconds. 30 seconds. Every rep counts. Rush into a skate. Let's go, let's go. Daar's hy Rosa. Mooi, mooi Lianne. Give me a few windshield wipers, Kate. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Daar's hy Rosa. Goeie werk julle. And time. Woo! Let's check in. How's everybody? Debs, how you doing?
Cool.
Cool. Nicely done there. Katie? Good. Nicely done too. Brilliant, brilliant. Amy, you?
I'm all good, thank you.
Yeah, say nice, nice work. It was one that you could actually just as you get tired, the next one is there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Lianne? Okay, Ruessa. Bene is bietjie lam. Let's say, okay. All right, well done. So let's do the finisher. 3.5 minute plank. Let's see if we can do it non-stop, which I'm sure you can. Most of you, if not all of you, did it the last time for 3 minutes, yes? So what is 30 seconds on that? Absolutely nothing. Okay, you can do it any which way. Straight arm, bend, you can move around, side plank, I don't care, as long as you just don't drop. Okay, that's the deal. Okay, so that's not too bad. Janaitjie, is jy reg, Gola? Yes, all right, let's get ready. Our time starts in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Good. Neutral spine, neutral spine. That's it, ladies. Just keep breathing, navel to spine. The tighter the bum, the tighter the core, the easier it is to stay there. And remember, your strength comes from your shoulders. So if your hands or your elbows are too far forward, you're not getting the benefit of it. So make sure that your shoulders are directly in line with your elbow. Nice work. Just breathe. Just breathe. Mooi Luisa. Is it getting a bit of blood flow there? Gates, I am checking for you. That's it, ladies. Just breathe. That's it, Ames. Nice work. Katie Key, don't think that's going to work. Hold it, ladies. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it.
I don't like it.
But it's good for you. Hold it. Hold it. Sideways, down on the elbows. I don't care as long as you don't drop. That's it. Just hold it, ladies. Mooi Lianaiki. Very steady there. Good work. Mooi Rosa. Remember, back and forth on your arms is also a good one to relieve that stress. Just going back and forward on your toes and on your arms. Swing it back and forth. That's it. Even bigger movements than that, Rosa, and you'll find that there's quite a bit of relief on your shoulder. Yes. Yes. Quite a bit of relief. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it.
I want to take one for the team.
No. Hold it. Hold it. Debs.
Oh.
Hold it, ladies. Hold it. You're almost there. Don't drop now. There's no point in dropping now. You're almost there.
Yeah, but what does that mean? Halfway.
What does that mean? I'm counting you down in a very psychological, friendly way. So just hang in there. Just hang in there. You've got 30 seconds left, ladies. That's it. Imagine that.
For real?
For real. Promise. So you can do this. You can do this. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Daar sy Rosa. Daar sy Lianaitjie. Move around a bit. Nice aims. You've been very steady. Well done. You have less than 10 seconds. Hold it. And time. Woo!
He's got your onesie on his coat.
Oh, that's fun.
Awesomeness.
Oh, the dogs are in the bar.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Okay, just roll out those shoulders a bit. and stretch them out at the back. Nice. Good work, Rosaki. Jy okay, Bella?
How do you make them go so fast?
Sit. Lianaitjie, is jy okay, Pops?
Ja, kan jy opmaak?
Daar sy. Ons is, dis 'n tawwe een, dis 'n tawwe een. Katie, you okay? Good girl.
Yeah.
Yes, good.
I'm good.
You good, Ames, you good too?
Yeah, I'm all good.
Fantastic, Debs.
Good.
Good, all righty. Ladies, awesome, as always. It's so nice to see you and nice to have you here. Well done. This has really been an achievement, hey? 3 minutes 30. Fantastic. So, be safe. Have you got a message for us, Katie?
When's the next quiz night?
That will be on Saturday, I think. So
Okay.
here comes a quiz that only you ladies that's here, I'm sure, is going to know. A question coming up on quiz night that I'm sure only you ladies will know. Is that what it is, Katie?
Yeah, it's about swimming, I think.
Okay.
I don't know. Or it's Disney. Or it's Harry Potter.
Oh, okay.
Or maybe.
All right.
I don't know.
Okay. Ladies,
Thank you,
everybody
thank you.
good. Thanks for being here. May God bless you. I'll see you next time round. Tata julle.
Bye, Rosie. Bye, Renee. Bye.